Hello! It's your old friend Noah here. I am pretty excited to show you this here. This here is an old burglar alarm bell that I found up on a wall at my friend's house, and I did ask if I can keep it, and they said yep. Now, this here used to be beige, a light beige, but now I use the Dremel, or Craftsman, whatever you call them, rotary tools. I took the paint off of it. I'm still going to polish this, get rid of all these scratches here, and then maybe paint it red and screw it onto a plate, light switch plate with a solenoid. Here, listen to it. Here, hold on. Thing's louder than that, that's for sure. Now, this thing used to be, it used to be on them little round things. I'll tell you how it worked. This sat on top of one of them plates, them plastic plates. You had to wind it up clockwise, and then there's this pin here. And then when you let go of the pin, it turns slowly counterclockwise and it rings. So, yep. Well, it looks like I got something from new broken solar panel. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And I will give you updates on this thing.